Zambia must not inject any vaccine in any Zambian body before strenuous verification and validation is done to this vaccine. No injection should be inserted into a body of any Zambian. We must declare that the vaccine is unsafe until it is scientifically proved to be safe. Not by the Americans, like I said, not by the Russians, not by the Europeans, but declared safe by our own scientists and our own doctors. I heard somebody say, where are we going to get scientists and doctors? Well, if you can't verify what is given to you by your own people, then I suggest that you don't get involved in touching things that are made by others, because then you can be poisoned and we can all die like fools, like Martin Luther King Jr. said. If we are ignorant and we don't want to verify what we eat and what we inject in our bodies or ingest in our bodies, then I think that we do not have the sovereignty and we are not a state. We are now called a banana republic. But I believe that we have got some of the most educated scientists in this country and doctors who must be trusted to dissect the constitution of this vaccine and ensure that it is right and fit for our people. We may be poor, but we are not stupid. We can read when they write on the vaccine that this is not for distribution in the United States and this cannot be used in the European Union. This this vaccine cannot be used in Europe. They're even telling you that this is not for us because they've got some other substandard stuff that they make for us. How do you know the injection that was given to President Biden is the same vaccine that is coming here? You didn't check it when they put it on him. You have not compared that vaccine to the vaccine you have received. You can watch it on CNN and say, even President Biden got a dosage of it. Are you sure? Did you see it? Did you get the drop and analyze it that it's the same drop getting into an African's body? I think that we need to be more responsible. And our salvation outside God will be by responsible governments on the continent of Africa. Corrupt governments, those who are just looking for money from the West, are going to kill their people like fools. We shall die like fools if we have a government which is corrupt and is only waiting to be given money by the international community. We should never accept everything that comes to us without verifying it ourselves. So I shall not debate myself our reservations on the privileged information that we hold about the coming vaccine. I think I shall leave that out. I shall not deal with it. Suffice to say that I would not inject it into my body, my children's, or those I love who happen to be all Zambians. This position can only change if it is established by ourselves that the vaccine is safe.
Yo na vilo no me dak bena amesia me ila gben kefe avalachi fifula ni video ne pova ye ya wu be ma phone cho gba enya yo mi ato phone cho ya nya be amachi yo be yo avadona mi amachi ele vovon dona me igbeto ame o le vovon na amachi e pezaza vona mi va vemere mi a fait la messe e camin ton les vidéos me ma de go me vide to gbebe ne menya wo la mi anto mi awo mi adokui hade enle momuta e ya ma no me la du blola yonye amejira la wede no wa hade gata e gan wa nawo ta wa ho amachi ko va dume kema dume vio wa noa wa zamachi amachi awudume viwe le Zambia gbomere abe yupe doctor wede wa we ale nkude amachi wa akpobe amachi nyu na dume vio wa zan ape yi wa zen e ya megbela amachiere onwuron de jibe no me gazelle Canada no me gazelle Europe no me gazelle America no me gazelle Russia no me gazelle China ta amachiere eme gbozagbe mega ngobolo ole mi adibe wa va wu mi ho me bunyo agbanke Telegram ne Telegram e pola si ore o ya ide Telegram na download ke mami ano kamelfma na ne download vode na dim na le ko labe WhatsApp vo ya download di ke ma na dim agbenuke nglo agbenuke ke ma na pomlefma ne mi adoje ma ko video ple nu tata de wa ko no mi adoda be mi achi le veme mi a pe la mese ne wa ko ngogbe okay ma ba yiji abe ejebe mi adume to wede mi nyanu imi le dudu mi nyanu imi le khode lame mi adume to we ejebe de mi nyanu imi le dudu nu ile fome yinami mega hade gatare emi no nu von won mi atowe o nya tefe de kai wa si la gbenke fe falachi le Ghana le Togo le Benin afa gbedo me le yata ne me wo nyo video le menana mesia menenya be via wo fe video e hade gbedo me le nenye gbebubu to ne se egbieche good news vo me di be ve unju ne wa po eve nyonu wa po eve fi ne wa po ya ta me no fa gbe edo man na title fe gbe nya so la sinyama enye du me vie be abuyo le dodo ala amachi o le dodo be o mi ave president kra che do amachi de ele wo bia se be de amachi mi ave president dore e test gbo be de eyi o gbodo dogbe na we de ya ke o do ne a mi ko apama ko dade Zambia pe ameganya le gbogbo be de yo pe doctor yo vunku yo nyanu de wa test amachiene wa zin mebe ma bia masia me la gbenke fe awala jibe machine wa ko check amachiere emeka e wo machine ekema na nam dodo machine wo be wa ko check amachie ni wa po be amachie nyu alo menyu re ameka e wo machine ma once is the white man who made the computer or maybe the lab. They program those machines to give the result that they required. Tamia me ibo mi chi megbe nyate fe magbona we mi chi megbe ton because let me be me a test ide je be mi ton mi manufacture mi abo testing kit we let me a ko test menye China lo America ko testing kit ko do da mi la Africa afu akwa den won ti me na mi o me gleva ibe de o ma in the course of testing ya o le dolele la mi hadebe dolele ya de ne o me test wo de o ma nya be dolele le won ami o test de wa we ko pona dolele no vi lon me bia dagbe na we mega ngwabo ma video ya kura me no vi e kama mi ano kame